What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. If not, welcome back.
But I'll be on it always, always and ever.
Before we get started with this video, make sure y'all are subscribed to my channel and y'all follow me on social media. It's going to be linked down in the description box and right here on the screen, my Instagram, my TikTok. Make sure y'all follow me and subscribe, because if you're watching, you should definitely be subscribed and you should definitely be following me on social media as well. I know I look crazy, but if y'all can't tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing some cleaning. This is going to be a Sunday reset and a decorate my new house with me. As y'all know, a few months ago, your girl did move, and I didn't really get to decorate everything like how I wanted to, but I did finally get around to ordering some stuff from Amazon. So we're going to be doing some unboxing and some decorating and all the good things. Make sure y'all stay tuned, and we're going to go ahead and get right into this video.
It is your boyfriend on the beat. It is your boyfriend on the beat.
Okay, y'all, now I look even crazier than before. I took my quick weave out, I took my braids down, washed my hair, conditioned it, shampooed it, blow dried it, and I'm just rocking these little buns for right now. I wasn't going to go ahead and do a braid down, but I'm just like, it's going to take too long. I'm trying to get this stuff done. And then I ended up giving my dog a bath. I actually cut her one of her nails too short, so we had like a whole thing with that. I also dyed her tail, so my hands are like super duper stained. Her fingernails started bleeding again, so we had to do a whole, that's him on the game if y'all hear that, but we had to do a whole nother emergency stop and get the blood under control. So now that she is done with, she's blow dried, she's no longer bleeding, I'm about to go ahead and clean up my kitchen. It's not too bad. I'm just going to put the dishes away that's in the dishwasher, wipe down my counters and my sink, sweep and mop, and then we done with the kitchen, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna let that be a montage as well, and then I will see y'all when we done in the kitchen and move on to the bedroom.
It's giving boss beach. It's giving boss beach. It's giving bad bitch. Never ever play me like I'm ass. Never bring a nigga over where I lay my head. Lady in the streets, put a Rico in the bed. Don't make me say it twice, bitch, I said what I said. Two things I don't need, that's a nigga or ice cream. Sip me like some high C, cause you know I got the juice. She stay on her grind and she...
Alright, y'all, so now it's time to unbox all these packages. I'm about to prop the phone back up, the camera back up, so we can unbox these packages together. So the first package is for promo. I'm not going to turn around and show y'all what it said, because I am going to do a separate video for this on TikTok. But this is some promo that I got to do. The box is really cute, so I'm probably going to keep this box. But yeah, that was the first thing. The second thing is from Amazon. I think I know what this is. This is another tripod. So I be trying to like film content for TikTok and for YouTube at the same time, but it's hard when I only have one like adjustable tripod. So I bought this one. And oh, it was kind of big. This is not the right one. This is the exact same one I have this one on. They sent me the wrong. Where my phone at? I gotta look at this because I really think this is the wrong one they sent me. For real, for real. Because, I mean, nothing wrong with it, but I swear it's not the one. This like literally the exact same one this camera is sitting on. I mean, it's cool and all, but this is not what I wanted. This is not what I ordered. I don't think. So now I gotta go back and check that out because I'm pretty sure that's not what I ordered. And next is another box from Amazon. I think I know what this is too, but I don't know how you open this kind of box. What kind of box this is? This is some of the decoration that I have ordered from Amazon for my bathroom. Will it feel good too? Yup. Okay, I'm not gonna open it all the way. This is, I don't know what this is. I can't remember. It's little whatever it is in this big ass bag. Rhinestone glue. If y'all don't know, this is the best rhinestone glue. Your stuff gonna be stuck and it's not going nowhere. So that needs to go on my nail room. This is another part of the decoration. I hope it's the right size. I measured both of these, so I really hope that they're the right size. Because if not, I'm definitely gonna be upset. How do you even open this? This right here, y'all, I'm not even gonna show y'all. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is. Yes, I am. I am gonna tell y'all. This is heavy as fuck. This is a vanity. I finally got me a vanity, y'all, and it was so cheap. It was only $100. And when I went to go like look at the pictures of it again before it actually got delivered, the price was like more. And I'm like, I know I didn't pay that much for this. So I had to go back and check my order to make sure I wasn't tripping. But I got it on sale. It was $100. It's so cute. I'm gonna put it. I was gonna put it in my like glam room that I have my hair stuff, my nail stuff. I was gonna put it in that room, but I was in there cleaning up earlier, and I'm like, it can fit, but I kind of want to be able to film content on that, like for promo and stuff, and like hair installs, all that kind of stuff. I'd rather sit like at my vanity and do it, and I don't. And when I record, I want to be able to have like a clean, clear black background. So I think the room I was going to use for my at-home gym, I'm going to use as my content room and just do everything content in there. So I'm going to be building this in that room, but I'm going to build this later on because time kind of got ahead of me. I don't know what time it is, honestly. It's like 4:45. Time really got ahead of me, so I was going to unbox this and build it today with y'all on camera. But I'm going to do this later on in the video on a different day. So this was not ordered. I actually went to the store and bought this. But I got a new comforter for my bed. It's a down alternative comforter. It has like this little pattern on it. I couldn't find like a completely plain solid one that was in the king size. So I got this one. I got that at Ross for $32, $33. And yeah, so it's just a comforter. I have to get me some shams to go with it or some decorative type pillows or whatever. But this is about to go on my bed right now. I just changed the sheets on my bed, so I'm about to go ahead and put this on. We're gonna get started with this decorating.
All I ask is that you hold it down for me, cause you told me you would be my everything. If it's love, then baby, put it on me. We could hustle this together, you and me, cause I told you I could be everything. If it's love, then baby, put it on me.
High volume.
Okay, y'all, so I'm in my bathroom, and these two items are bath rugs. So as y'all can see, I don't have no bath rugs in front of, well, y'all can't see right here, but in front of my sink and in front of my shower. I'm not really concerned about in front of my tub because I've only used the tub once since I've been here, and it's not like an everyday kind of thing. So I need some bath mats because I was stepping out on towels and I was so tired of every time I go to like wash a towel, I forget to put a new one out, and then I'm like, fuck, so now I gotta step on the floor and make a mess. So I got me some bath mats. And my color scheme is black and white because my countertop is like the black and white granite. So it's like I'll just keep it black and white. And the shower curtain that I did have in here before was all white, but I took that and put it in my guest bathroom because I wanted a different one in here. So I just have a thick shower liner here in my bathroom. So this is the first bath mat. And mind you, I said I measured it because I wanted to make sure that it fit. So cute. So I measured the area right here because I wanted to make sure that it fit. And we're about to see if it does fit. It's literally perfect. Like perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It just needs to like flatten out some. But that's so cute. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. Look how cute. Get naked, period. It's so cute right here. I think it fits perfect. It's a little like bent up still, but I think like once it lays out long enough, it'll flatten out. And then yeah, but this is what it's looking like. It's like fits just about perfect. I don't really get out up here, so I don't care about it not fitting like perfect. But yeah, so that's that one. Now I'm gonna open this other one. This one I did measure too. So clearly it needs to be fluffed out. I thought it was like wider than this, like it would come out a little bit further, but I might end up seeing if I can find a different one that comes out a little bit wider. This shower curtain is not new. I did have it in like my very first apartment, but then I ended up thinking I was gonna change colors of my color scheme. But it's white and it has like this pattern on it. I don't know if y'all can tell. So what I'm about to do is put this on. That way I can have a shower curtain and a liner and not just a liner because I feel like that's really kind of ghetto. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on this shower liner and the shower curtain. And we're gonna see how it looks. Hopefully it fits. Okay, so I don't hate it, but the curtain itself is a little bit on the shorter side as far as like touching the base of my shower, if that makes sense. So I purposely got a long shower liner because I didn't want the water to like leak outside the shower. But this is not as long as the shower liner. So here's the shower, and then you have the new little rug, and then you have this rug. So I think that it looks pretty good. So now that I have everything in here, I feel like it looks a lot more home-like. So I have an actual curtain instead of just a liner, the bath mat, and then this mat here. So I really feel like it ties all together. The white goes good. And I still do want to get some other accessories for my countertop. Just not sure what I'm looking for right now. But I'm liking how this came out. I don't really know what side is the front side or the top side. I know when it was delivered, they said like keep it flat. So I'm hoping it's not a whole lot of work to put together because it's not like it has like a whole bunch of drawers and shelves and stuff like that. So hopefully it's not hard to put together. Because I really want to get this done by like 8 o'clock. So I don't want to take more than 45 minutes to put together. Because I do want to film some content today. If not today, tomorrow for sure. So we're going to see. Oh Lord, it's already a bunch of pieces. But it looks nice. I'm just praying that nothing is messed up. Like nothing came damaged. So we're going to see. But I'm going to take everything out first, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all what we got. This is everything out the box. The mirror is not as big as I thought it was going to be. It's actually smaller than I thought. So I'm hoping like when the lights get around it, it's going to look bigger. But, oh Jesus, it's a lot of pieces. I'm not going to lie. It is a hell of a lot of pieces. So I'm going to move the mirror. I feel like I'm sure I'll make that first. And we got the instructions. It came with, I think it came with some tools. And then it came with the lights. Oh my gosh. I hope it's like not too much words and mostly pictures. Because I can't do all the reading right now. But it's like hella different fucking pieces. Lord. Okay. Step 1. I need... What is this? Piece 1, which is one of these big pieces. There's piece one. Okay. It's like 2 holes at the top, and then right here is where the little drawer thing go. Y'all, it's gonna be a minute. Hold on. I'm not gonna let this be too long. But I'm gonna come back and get some progress. Okay, y'all, this is how far I've gotten. It's been more than an hour. And I still have a little bit of ways to go. I just have to do the drawers, I guess. I think that's the last part, just like putting the drawers together. And then putting the lights on, and then I might be done. But I'm about to go ahead and knock it out, and I'll see y'all when I'm done. The vanity is so cute. It's really cute. It's smaller than I thought, but it's still like the perfect size. Like, I could even fit this in my bedroom if I wanted to. I could put it in my bedroom, or I could have put it in my beauty room, but I wanted like a separate room just for this, for content. It took me a long as fuck to put it together. It's 10:13. Y'all knew what time I started. So yeah, if you're gonna do this, I mean, hey, it ain't for the weak. So yeah, I'm not gonna leave it right here, but this is where I'm gonna leave that for now. I don't know which wall I'm gonna put it on. I gotta get some of my stuff out of here and put it in the closet. Like, I got like just like little storage stuff, like a TV box and some other little small stuff in here. But it also changes colors, like the lights. I have it hooked up under here. It's got like 3 different light shades, tones, settings, whatever. But it's gonna be so cute when I'm doing my little hair videos, whatever. And then if I want to bring my ring light in here, I can. That's pretty much it. This is so cute, so tea. It did not come with a chair, but my nail chair will fit just fine. I'm gonna get in the shower and fix something to eat, 'cause I'm starving, and probably go ahead and lay down because I haven't went to sleep yet. So I will see y'all later.